I only wanted to have fun, learning to fly, learning to run. I'll let my heart decide the way. When I was young, deep down I must have always known that this would be inevitable. To earn my stripes I'd have to pay and bare my soul. I know I'm not the only one who regrets the things they've done. Sometimes I just feel it's only me who can stand the reflection that they see. I wish I could leave a little more, look up to the sky, not just the floor. I feel like my life is flashing by, and all I can do is watch and cry. I miss the air, I miss my friends, I miss my mother, I miss it when life was a party to be thrown, but that was a million years ago.